Welcome to my channel, Momo's Kitchen. Segment 1 Ingredients. Flour, 300 grams. Milk powder, 2 tablespoons. Oil, 1 tablespoon. Bread improver, 1 tablespoon. 1 egg. Warm milk, 1 cup. Yeast, 1 packet. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Salt, ½ tablespoon. Segment 2 Baking and Assembly. Step 1 In warm milk add 1 packet yeast. Step 2 Add bread improver. Step 3 Add sugar. Step 4 Add milk powder to flour. Step 5 Add egg. Step 6 Mix. Step 7 With yeast mixture make a soft dough. Step 8 Add oil. Step 9 Make a dough. Step 10 Brush some oil. Step 11 Place the dough in a warm place for 1 hour to rise. Step 12 Sprinkle some flour. Step 13 Flat the dough. Step 14 Cut donuts. Step 15 Place them on butter paper. Step 16 Again give them rest for 10 minutes. Step 17 Fry the donuts on low flame for 1 minute each side. Step 18 Fry the donuts until they become dark brown. Segment 3 Decorating and Finishing. Step 1 Apply a uniform layer of chocolate coating to one surface of the donuts, ensuring a smooth and even coverage. Step 2 Execute a controlled sprinkling of decorative elements, carefully selecting and applying a preferred material to create a harmonious and attractive finish. The donut preparation process has culminated in a crispy and delectable treat, ready to be savored. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel.